Last year was my first year, and I met a lot of good friends, a lot of NSA graduates, and they were really encouraging.
This is my second year as well, and I think what drew me back was definitely the people and how caring everyone is and welcoming, but also the way Dr. Erb just teaches us to love and enjoy the beauty that we're singing and just being with each other, and how beautiful it is to be with other Christians.
Everyone really wants to be here. Everyone's trained, has experience, and there's not those kids in the back who are just chatting the whole time. No pointing fingers, just.
There are so many wonderful things that I've come away from this camp with, but probably the main one that I've put to mind is that it's not just enough to come to this camp. You have to go out and bring it home. This isn't just a camp where it's like, congratulations, you've made it, you're the best, just stay here for a while. It's like, no. Not only are you not the best, we're gonna bring you farther up and further in. You have to go out from wherever you're from and take it back there with you. There's a lot of laziness in our culture and a lot of people that need to, honestly, a lot of Christians that need to get off their butts and to work hard at something beautiful and to make something that glorifies God and can be a testimony to Him.
Oh, the rich man lives so well, don't you see? Oh, don't you see?
Highlights of Honor Choir are the 10 seconds after we sing the biggest piece, when the room is silent and no one can say anything.
I agree with that. That is definitely the best part.
Honor Choir is definitely a challenge. You are expected to be prepared before you come and be preparing while you're there. You're expected to pull your weight and not be a show-off. It's hard to find that balance in between, throwing yourself out there too much and the restraint. So it's definitely challenging. There's a lot thrown at you in a, relatively short amount of time.